Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you scan documents with iPhone or iPad. So guys, to scan documents with iPhone or iPad, at first just go to your notes, and after going to your notes just select for a new note. So click the bottom right this icon, and after that in the upper right side of your keyboard there is a camera icon. Click on that camera, and here you can see the second option is scan documents. Just click on it and your background camera will be opened like this, and the document will be scanned like this. Now after that in the bottom right side click on save, and the two documents will be saved in your notes. If you want to just delete it, you can delete it. Click on delete and you can just delete the documents. So guys, that's how you can scan documents on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.